did our research through FEMA and the like, and this is the largest unit that we felt like we could make. And still be able to move it, which was part of our goal. Was that if you live in a mobile home, you normally end up buying some kind of a small storage shed. Well, this would serve a dual purpose as a storage shed and also provide protection from tornadoes.
When the customer places their order, basically we put a shop order out to the plant, and at that point they're going to form the base up, which is comprised of concrete and rebar.
It's 6 inches thick. And then the guys set the forms up above that the next day.
And then tie in an entire rebar cage. We have rebar 12 inches on center, both vertically and horizontally, and continuously through the corners. Tie rebar over the top of the building, and then basically it's ready for concrete to be poured inside it.
And everything from the base up is one pour, monolithic, so there's no seams in it.
So the sidewalls and the roof are one continuous pour of concrete.
The walls and the ceiling are 4 inches thick. And then there's a support beam down through the center that gives additional support in the event a tree or something falls on it.
We do fabricate our own doors. The doors are designed out of 3/16 inch plate steel. In addition to that, we put in additional stiffener bars so that if the door should be struck by flying debris, we know that it's going to hold up.
And then the door has to be tested. We had ours tested at Texas Tech, Lubbock, Texas, where they shoot the three 15-pound 2x4s at the various points on the door to ensure that it'll withstand the loads.
I know that we've had one that's gone through an EF4 in Bologna, Arkansas.
April 27th of 2014, there were 7 people and 2 dogs in it. It got hit by a new Nissan pickup, Titan. I think this is where a wheel hit, and then the truck folded over the top up here and then went off to the side. Here's the truck hit it. You can see where it's folded 90 degrees. That's where it actually hit the roof up there and folded the truck over. It's just amazing how it can go from everything being fine to total disaster in just seconds. I guess this is the storm shelter here. And the pickups were parked out in this area. All the buildings were destroyed.
One of the options we do have is our emergency escape opening. That is an 18-inch by 24-inch opening that's built into the back wall. And the reason for that is that if you have, because our door opens outward, if you have storm debris that piles up in front of the front door and you can't get out, then that metal plate can be taken off from the inside of the building to allow the occupants to crawl out the back wall. Within this particular location, we have the capacity to build, I think, 35 units on the floor. That provides us with space for 27 8x10 models and 8 of the 6x6 models.
The 8x10 units weigh about 24,000 or 12 ton. Right now we're in pretty good shape. We've been trying to build inventory.
Very little maintenance is required. Once the product leaves the shop, it has coat of paint on it, exterior stucco that's painted the customer's choice. There can be some fading. If you have a lawnmower that throws rocks or something against the unit, it's not going to damage it much. It might chip a little bit of the stucco, but these are very low maintenance.